Okay, so here is the harness install instructions for the steering wheel. When you get your steering wheel, you're going to have this harness in here. Mine's been taken in and out about 20 times, probably more. But basically your steering wheel will look the same. There's two little push pins or push-in connectors. This one's out, and usually this wire's over here. I just didn't push it all the way back in. But basically, you're going to pull this guy out. You're gonna undo this and you're gonna pull this out. You don't need any of that anymore, any of this harness. To make this easier, I'm going to pull out this whole center section. Now behind here is a paddle shifter connector. I'm gonna get in there, pull that out. It's on the back side and back side. On this guy, it's way easier to get these guys unclipped. It's this little tab down, way down there. This little tab, boom. This little tab here, boom. Factory harness out. You will receive a completely new harness. Now the cool thing is guess what? They're color coded. So gray goes to the gray connector. It's going to go right down in here. It's hard for me to see and film simultaneously. Okay, now the black guy goes in the black connector, or on the black switch pack side. Sorry. I suck at filming and doing simultaneously. Click, click. Boom, boom. If you want to be super cool, you grab the horn connector now, and you can insert it here on this plastic deal, and it'll stay there. I'm not going to do it because it takes it takes two hands. But basically, you'll put it on here. There's a ridge on the back side here. It goes on that little connector. Okay, so now we're going to turn around. We're going to place this guy right back on the truck. Super easy. Okay. Not so easy one-handed, but still fun. Okay, now what we have left here is a black shifter harness, and that's going to go back into that shifter harness connector that's way back in there. Let's see. And again, I'm trying to assemble and film and everything. I don't know that I can get a second person. Basically, the U goes to the back side, and then there's a little connector back here, and in we go. I'm latched. It's in there. This one's easier to see because it's gray. There we go. That guy's in. Mine is a heated steering wheel, so ignore that entirely. Next thing is you just, now you can do all this assembly with the wheel off the truck. My wheel's on the truck. I didn't want to take it off, but then when you get in the truck, you just press that in, and there are wire routing grooves right up here and over here. I don't have the little push-in connectors, but there's wire routing grooves. You'll just push it into the foam to get it out of your way, here and here. If you need to, a blunt pick or the back of a screwdriver, etc. I'm not going to finish that up right now while we're filming. I'm going to try and get this on, but it probably won't. There it goes. Okay, so that's it. The steering wheel harness is good. The next part is the clock spring you bought for the 2015 already has the right connectors for the back side of this. They're color coded. There's your horn, and that goes right to that horn. And I mean, all in and out of 90 seconds to change out the harness. On the counter would be even easier. And again, this guy, this connector on my steering wheel, and this connector is for heated. Ow, that was the horn to the back of my elbow. Awesome. It's not applicable. I can't make it work right now. Maybe someday in the future. I'm trying to think of an idea, but right now we don't have enough clock spring pins. I've used every single one. And we don't have enough money to make a new clock spring. I have no idea how many hundreds of thousands of dollars that would be. Next film will be of the shifter harness.